In a shocking and controversial finish at Richmond Raceway, Austin Dillon emerged victorious in the Cookout 400 NASCAR race. The race took a dramatic turn during the overtime restart, where Dillon collided with Joey Logano, causing Logano to spin out on the third turn. Dillon didn't stop there. He pushed Denny Hamlin into the wall on the final turn, securing his win in a move that left both fans and drivers stunned. Denny Hamlin expressed his frustration after the race, stating that while the record books will show Dillon as the winner, there will be consequences for his aggressive driving. Joey Logano was even more vocal, calling Dillon's actions ridiculous and describing the situation as a bunch of BS. The race was also notable for strategic tire choices, with Daniel Suarez making a significant move by winning the second stage after switching to option tires. Despite crossing the line further back, Hamlin was awarded second place, with Tyler Reddick taking third. Dillon's victory propels him from 32nd in points to securing a spot in the playoffs, but the tension on the track suggests that this story is far from over.